slushies?
They're really good.
What kind did you get?
Cotton blue.
That's awesome.
Whatever it's called. Cotton candy.
I had a pulled pork sandwich from the orange truck. It had coleslaw on it. It was on an egg bun. It's fantastic. It's really messy, but really, really delicious. And I had jambalaya from the Zydeco truck, and it was also very good.
I had the Angus big pork and hot dog from the orange truck. The truck balls, both of them were excellent. Fried risotto balls, really, really good. Quarter-pound Angus hot dog with pulled pork on coleslaw, delicious, really, really messy. And then from the Zydeco truck, it's shrimp etouffee, really nice, big portion of etouffee, not too spicy, a lot of shrimp in it, delicious.
My name is Juan Gonzalez. We own Holy Mexican Street Foods. We're one of the only Mexican food trucks in the area. We would like to invite everybody to support food trucks in the Akron area. This is a dream that we had a few years ago and finally made it. So please come out and support Holy Frijoles.